everyone, Angela from the A Mano Baking Company here. Today we are here to demo and show you our recipe for our delicious pepperoni pizza bread. This recipe is really a nice option for a brunch, a lunch, or a dinner. It will complement all of your Italian meals, or it stands alone as a snack. It's very easy to make, quick, and sure to please. It has all of the delicious flavors that you would love from Italian pizza, and we're gonna get started and show you how to make it. In our bowl here, we have all of our dry ingredients. We have our flour, our sugar, our baking powder, baking soda, salt, and our spices. Today, our spices in this loaf include Italian seasoning, garlic powder, black pepper, paprika, and you're gonna mix everything together and make sure it's all incorporated. We have that done right here for you. As I said, this recipe only takes moments to prepare, and you probably already have all of the ingredients in your pantry already to make this. Quick and easy. To your dry ingredients, you're going to add your milk and your oil. You can use any kind of oil in this recipe, from olive oil to canola oil, and you can also use any kind of milk that you may have. Skim milk will work just fine, as will everything up through heavy cream. Whatever you have in your house, by all means, go ahead and use. You're going to gently whisk everything together to get it combined. And what I like to do is switch to a rubber scraper to make everything incorporated. From here, we're going to add in 1 egg. And you just want to make sure again that everything is incorporated. You're going to give it a loose mix. Almost there. Okay. Now that you have everything mixed together, you are going to add in chopped pepperoni and mozzarella cheese. You can make this recipe completely your own. Whatever you like on your pizza, you can flavor your bread with. This would be amazing with chopped peppers or black olives or cooked crumbled sausage. Whatever you like, you can absolutely put into this recipe and into your loaves. This recipe is really fantastic because it makes 2 very generous loaf breads for you. So whether you have a big family or a small family, this will be perfect. At this point, the dough will be sticky, and that's okay. This is what you want. After you get everything incorporated, you're going to divide up your dough and prepare 2 loaf pans. You definitely want to use 2 because this makes generous loaves, and if you use only 1, you will have an overflow in your oven. Very lightly, you want to go ahead and grease your loaf pans. And you're going to divide your mixture up between the prepared pans. Try to be as even as you possibly can while eyeballing it. You want everything to cook at the same time and temperature in your oven. And you can see this bread has full of flavor with all of the herbs and spices we have in here. Chopped pepperoni gives it a little bit of a kick. And who doesn't like pizza without different cheese? Okay. Everything is mixed through and in your pan. Then to finish, what we're going to do is just use some shredded or grated Parmesan cheese, whatever you have on hand is fine. And you're going to sprinkle generously on top. This will get nice and toasty as you bake it. These are going to go in your preheated oven at 350 degrees for about 55 to 60 minutes. You're going to bake them till you see that they are completely golden and they will rise up beautifully. And to test them, you're going to use a toothpick or a wooden skewer. At this point, you're going to be looking for a completely clean skewer as you go in and out of the test. If you have a couple of crumbs, that's perfectly fine. When it comes out of the oven, you want to cool them in your pans for about 10 minutes, and then you want to gently take them out of the pan to finish cooling and place them on a rack to finish cooling. You could definitely serve these warm. I suggest using a serrated knife to cut them. And like I said earlier, these make a perfect accompaniment to any Italian themed meal you have, or you can absolutely eat them on your own. They go really delicious with a salad, or paired with frittata, or sliced and toasted and dipped in your favorite pesto sauce. We hope that you will enjoy the pepperoni bread that we are bringing to you tonight and make it for all your friends and family. And thank you for tuning in, and we'll see you back at the A Mano Kitchen soon. Ciao.